A single tier method to determine fabric tear force, known as the tearage test, using a test specimen. Viewers, welcome to Textile and Testing Blog. Sample preparation. Sample to set up of test specimen shall be cut on set in the warp direction and the other wave direction. For other oven fabric, usually relevant direction of direction, length and is set shell constants of the lip 5 test specimen or more is a great no test specimen, and shall contain the sample longitudinally and transverse thread, and no specimen shall be cut within 115 millimeter of the fabric. The test specimen shall be the test specimen shall be a strip 200 mm plus minus 2 mm long by 50 plus minus 1 mm width, and shall be made a long length beginning from the center of the white mark and end of the tear, and from the uncut end of the stitch to including the position of the tear and the complete of the test. The test specimen having a within of 200 mm made by tested if agreed by the interested parts. This is recommended for the sample when the narrow with test specimen and considered unsuitable for especially test resistance of fabric. For oven fabric, test specimen of one shall be cut to other with the length parallel to the warp and with fabric to from trouser sharp laced. The tear force measures is the force required to previously started single tear when the force is applied parallel to the cut and the fabric tear in the direction of apparel force. This method is mainly applicable to all oven textile fabric. It may be applicable to force and to fabric procedured by the technicians with the. In general, this method is not applicable to knit fabric and woven elastic fabric. This is not suitable for highly fabric or loose fabric. When tear transfer from the one direction to other direction of the tear during the tear test is likely to occur. Rate of extension. Testing machine, tensile testing machine when a clamp is the others is moving with a constant speed although the test, and when the required testing system individually for the direction gauge length, distance between two effect clamp. point of a test device. Tear force required to tear under the specified condition. Peak a peak point on a force extension curve when the related to the force values record change other positive and negative length of tear measure the distance by a tearing force from the of the force unit its termination Tarjar sharp test. This test specimen having a single cut of defined length made by the center of the shortly leads to from to other trousers less than clamping. Um, the jaw the jaw shall be capable to holding the test specimen without allow it to slip and designs so that they do not cut to otherwise whenever the test specimen the width of the jaw shall properly be 75 millimeter but shall not be less than the width of the test specimen. Equipment for cutting other test specimen properly hollow foods of template to given test specimen of the conditioning. Hello viewers, if you like this video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel for next video. So take care, bye bye, love you all.